When I started my first business, it was bound to fail from start because I did not have a business plan. Now it's just not me. 90% of the entrepreneur fail in their first 3 to 5 years because they don't have a business plan. And I'm sure you don't want to be in the same boat. So in today's video, I'll show you how simple it is to write business plan, what all goes into a business plan, and how you can create your own business plan. So stay till the end. I promise you that you will be able to make your business plan with confidence. In case you're new to my channel, please go ahead and press the subscription button as well as do like and comment so that you keep getting all my future videos. I keep making videos relevant to you like this so that you don't have to reinvent the wheel. So what is a business plan? As the name suggests, it's a plan for the business where you create a roadmap for success for your business and comprehensively you document how you're going to grow your business, how the financial needs will be met, by when it will be met. It also acts as a guiding document for the entrepreneurs when you are seeking investor as well as creditors. So now coming to what all a business plan has. There is no set format. You can go for a long format, or nowadays lean business plan is in vogue where people document the entire business plan in 1 or 2 pages. You can go with any of the format based on your type of business. I will try to generally cover what all is in the business plan. So a business plan starts with an executive summary where you're trying to give, it's like a movie trailer where you're trying to give a glimpse of what your business is, how you intend to grow, where do you see your business in next say 3 to 5 years. It's more like a wish list and it acts as a reference for you to go and check where you have baselined and how you have been performing against that baseline. So I hope this makes it simple for you. When I was writing my business plan, I wrote the executive summary towards the end once I had covered every other aspect of the business plan. The next point is the company or business description. In my case, here I covered what problem I'm going to solve, how I will reach out to the customers, what's the industry trend, market, those kind of analysis. You could also include description of offering, overview of industry trend and your team's expertise as well as the competitive advantage you have over others. So this gets covered in the business description. Next comes the market analysis. This is very crucial and important. Here you deep dive into market research and your business industry, competitors, geography, demography, and how it is being currently met. Now doing this will give you clarity on your best customer. You want to spend your energy where you can go and get your kind of customer. In my case, it just did not give the clarity to me, but it also allowed me to take an informed predictive decision, and that actually set me on success path for my business. And in case you want to convince the interested party, it becomes that much easier with all those details in place. Organization and management. Every business, every organization is different. So is the structure. Now here I showed what kind of organization structure I will be going with for my business, how I have my winning team and what all expertise they have. That is to give confidence on how I have built capability to go out and succeed. Service and product line, here just keep things simple. What do you sell? How does it benefit your customer? Here what is important is that you focus on customer rather than you. What value they will get and by when. Have these details and data to support the claim. What makes your product unique from other competitors, or what already exists, what is the differentiator, and the fine prints including pricing and how you have arrived at this pricing. The next part is marketing and sales. In this section, offer details of sales strategy, price plan, how the advertising or promotional activity will be carried out, showcasing the unique selling proposition and how to encourage or influence the people to buy. Basically, why should somebody buy your product or service? That gets detailed here. One thing in this last 3 years I have realized is that people don't buy just facts. So try to connect with your customer at the emotional level. That is what going to make you successful. Now next comes the operating plan. Here detail on how business will be run, where the location would be, types of employee needed, inventory, supplies, and item needed for day-to-day operation will be given. Coming to the financial plan, remember, number tell story. Bottom line result indicate the success or failure of any business. Also financial projection and estimate. This helps the entrepreneur, lender, and the investor or even stakeholder to objectively evaluate a company's potential for success. If a business is seeking outside funding, then providing this comprehensive financial report and analysis is critical. So many people get stuck here. What I'll do is, in my next video, I will show you how I made a very simple financial projection, and I will also give you logic on why and how that has been made. So you will have that template also accessible for you to go and make your own financial plan. Now this has the income statement, which is profit and loss, cash flow, as well as the balance sheet. In my case, when I was working on the financial plan, I tried to oversimplify things for me and try to make it into phases. That way, I knew the financial projections by when I would need what kind of funding, and what will be my cash flow, what will be my inflow, and by when I'll be making a break even. So I will spend some time and I will show you the working on how you can plan your finances and how you can work on that financial plan thing. So do watch my next video where I'll talk this about and take you through that journey. Now the last part is appendix. Now this is up to you whether you want to use this or not. In case there are things like rents, leases, licenses in place, managing stakeholders, all those things gets documented in the appendix. Before I end the video, here are few additional tips from my end. Spend time during the planning stage. It might look over exhausting, but if the planning is done well, it will set you out on the right path. So research all information prior to writing it down. You might end up spending more time, but it is better to have your planning done trying to go and do the firefight. Be honest and stick to fact. No fancy words. Use charts, statistics, and list. It's easy to drive point. Having a mission statement will drive your point even better. It shows that you have set sight on your objective very, very clearly. Get it reviewed by a trusted friend. In case you still think that getting a business plan is difficult, reach out to me and I will see how I can help you. Now, as I said before we end the video, in the next video, I will show you the financial plan, how you can build your financial plan, and I will also be sharing a business plan template in the link in the description, which you can go download and try to make your own business plan out of that. I hope you found today's video useful. Please do like, comment, and share with your friends, because good things are to be shared. Thank you for watching Canada Tried and Tested.